darkness, my Lord friend, I've come to talk with you again, because the visions of bleak creeping left its shades while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walk alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, near the hollow of the street lamp, turn my collar to the cold and damp, with my eyes rested by the flash of the neon light. Let's break the night and touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence, or said I do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. They're my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent grass bells echoed in the wind of silence. Then the people bowed in praise to the neon God they made.